as we unite, nothing can put out a fire. We'll sing in time, we'll rejoice and see the light. Her soul saved us, her arms raised us, as we fight for the strength she gave us. She's the mother of the world, and has always put us first. The battle now begins, for the roles to be reversed. Egypt, your people will wipe away your tears. The world has seen and believed. So never fear, because now it's true. We are coming home for you. We can achieve anything, Egypt, only for USA.